Hello guys. Today we're going to show you how to get amazing pixel art on Scratch. So let's get started, shall we? Okay. So first you go on Google or internet or whatever thing you have. You might have like the Google Chrome, you might have Firefox, you might have Safari, you might have anything. But I'm using Google Chrome. So go to pixelapp.com and it might look at this. You can sign in. It might say sign in up here, and you can you do Google sign. So you can make amazing things using this. You can make all of these. And I even used this for my intro. Oh wait, I forgot to play it. Anyway, here's my intro. Right, I just did my intro. Yeah, that one. I used this for that intro. But you go to create sprite, and then you can go and then you can you go like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish one of my one of my sprites. I'll see you when I finish. Right, I finished. Oh wait, hi guys. I finished my thing. Also, you can also make GIFs. You just go add new frame and then you can duplicate it. So actually, I'll see you when I finished my GIF. So I finished my GIF. I think we can also see him pop up. Well, you have to look very carefully, but I've actually finished it. So you can, if you go to export, you can download as an animated GIF, or you can do something else with it. Now let's go back to my scratch.mit.edu, and as I did before, you can do animations. So if I upload a sprite from the sprite family, okay, let's put that. So I'll upload my thing, but it's a bit too small, so let's just sort that out. Make it a bit bigger. So here we go. So here we go. This is the exact same one we did. Just a bit. Like, it's hard to see. Actually, I'll just I'll change the backdrop so you can actually here we go. So if we do this, we can you can do when this clicked. Remember what I did? When this clicked, we can switch costume to the first one, and then we can do whatever next costume. And if you're using the pixel as a GIF, you have to use 0.1 because it goes really slow. But if you just really want it to be the exact same, yeah, actually. So hope you enjoyed the episode. That's how you do lovely pixel art. Link in the description where I got that video from, and bye.